Are your YouTube comments not loading? In this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix this issue. First of all, just scroll down below the video. If you're not seeing what I'm seeing here, there's something wrong, most probably with your browser. So let's get started, and I will show you a few tips how we can fix this. Either you can press F5 to reload the page, or you can do it via this button in the top left corner, and you can also as well double click here and press enter to reload. So after you reload the page, the comments should appear. If not, we have few more fixes that might help. So as you can see, the comments have loaded for me. If your issue still persists, try to change the sorting of the comments, it might help. If not, here are a few more fixes here. So if this have not helped, try to open your browser in incognito mode. You can do this in the browser, or by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Copy the URL of your video and open it, and this usually fixes the issue for most people. So if you can see the comments as well as I do, the problem is with your browser and you need to clear your cache and other personal data. So go to settings of your browser. Even though I'm doing this in Chrome, it's pretty similar in all other browsers. Go to privacy and security. Go to clear browsing data. Check all of these, choose all the time, and click on clear data. After you have successfully done this, just reload the page or the video itself as I showed you before, and it should work. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it has helped. If not, check the description of this video. There will be a link to a tutorial where are a few more fixes than I showed here, and subscribe for more guides like this.